feet in the air. And during a storm. I'm afraid of heights, by the way. Let's just get that over there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, it took 4 days. 4 days for me to overcome this vertigo. 4 days for me to overcome the sensation it took to get to this height. And now, I am here creating. Do you hear this? Do you hear the wind? Do you hear the wind whispering through the mechanicals? Do you hear the, look at this. Do you see the movement? Oh my gosh. You have to trust mechanicals. You have to trust a lot of things to get to this height without making fear. But do you see the beautiful view? I mean, this is only 50 feet up. I mean, this is only 50 feet up, but it is such a view. Look at that. I'm looking at the bottom of houses that are 30 feet tall. Do you see how beautiful this is? And do you see how incredible it is to just look over the edge, to just have faith in technology, to have faith in gosh. You know, I had my dog up here, and the first time she freaked out, but the second time she enjoyed it. And guess what? I'm enjoying this right now. This is during a storm. Look at this beautiful view. Look at this beautiful view. If this is the last thing I see, it is heaven on earth. Oh my gosh, the wind. By the way, this is right before a storm. Do you see the wind? Do you see it? It's about 25 miles an hour. It's about to be getting 50. Do you hear that? Do you hear it? Do you hear it? I hear it. Do you see it? I should probably get down. Oh, max height. Genie in a bottle. Let's get down. Now, I'm gonna do this. Ready? Oh my gosh. That is max speed. I should probably slow it down a bit. Oh my gosh. Woo! I should probably slow it down a bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my